like to make more money or you want to be super rich, then that's okay. Because probably you have different goals, right? So money is just it's a tool. And hello everyone, thank you very much for joining. So why you are being an entrepreneur? Is it because you would like to make more money? If you would like to make more money or you want to be super rich, then that's okay. Because probably you have different goals, right? So money is just it's a tool and it's not the goal, right? What I would like to talk about today is why why you should invest into yourself and not anything else before you, especially if you are in the beginning of your journey. If you are in the beginning of your journey, then you should make sure that you invest in yourself. And believe me, that's the best return of investment that you can make in your life. Because as Warren Buffett says, he always says, invest in yourself. He says as well that he is still learning until this age. He's almost in 90s. So most people who are investing in multiple things in the world, like the main two things that people invest into is cryptocurrencies and so on, or they invest into real estate. The third thing is investing or starting a side hustle. These are the main things that people focus on. However, before that, you need to make sure that you invest in yourself. You have the right skills, tools to start your business, and then you build on that. An example: if you want to go and invest into real estate business, then you need to make sure that the real estate business um, concept works and you understand how the business how the real estate concept exactly works. The most common thing that I have learned, people buy their new house, they put a down payment of 5%, either they take it from their parents or so on, and they live into that house for a year or so, and then they move to another house. So what happens in this case? So the you can rent the first house, you can take equity from the first house to put it into the new house, and then you can repeat this on, and you'll get rich that way. Simple as that. People have been talking like hours and hours on YouTube or on different blogs, but that's how it works. You get equity from the properties that you own, and then you grow into investing into more properties to reach the best uh, or to reach to the target that you would like. The second thing is investing in markets, and I'll tell you about the markets because I have invested into the market, into the stock market for a very long time, and I have learned. I have done also day trading. I have done swing trading. You will learn all about that. It just I wanted to give you an idea how people think about investments, and then so when I invested in the stock market, I figured out by the end of like after 10 years of experience in multiple things, I decided that, and I understood because I had to learn it the hard way that and invest in yourself and learn how to do it. And what I learned from the stock market that you need to think long term. You need to invest into stocks like businesses. So when you look at stock, think about it as a business and not as a stock that you're buying and you're going to sell anytime. Think about it this way: if you are going to invest into a business, are you going just to buy it without trying to understand what's the business plan? Are you going to just invest into something that if your neighbor comes and says, you know what, I'm opening a coffee shop, are you just going to dump your money with him and say, okay, yeah, let's do it. No, of course you'll ask him that, I would like to see the business plan, I would like to see your financial plan, and I would like to see what's your strategy of running the business, and how the business works, and what's your exit strategy. What happens in scenario A or B or C, if it succeeded, or what's the growth plan. You need to understand the business from A to Z. It's the exact same thing with investing. If you invest into something, you have to go into that company's profile and invest into that. The best thing you could do yourself. Go into each company that is listed in the stock market has an investor profile, and that investor profile or investor page, that investor page contains all the calls, all the financial statements, all the reports that all the reports that the company produces, or their forecasts. You'll find slide decks there. You'll be amazed how much information is there, and that's not because the businesses would like to do that. It's just that's one of the requirements of the exchange market, the SEC exchange market. So again, I explained to you both, and the best thing is, as I said, invest into yourself, into learning how to invest, how to understand things, how um, to make money online. Always continue to learn new ways. There is always new ways of investments now. The NFTs are coming into play. This is something new to me as well. It's new to everyone. So these are basically digital collectibles, I believe, that can be sold online. So I just want to summarize this right now. In the end, um, I hope this was informative. Do not forget to invest into yourself again. If you fall, get up and move again, and continue. You will reach, if you continue doing that, you'll reach to your goal. No matter whatever anyone tells you, you will succeed. It just sometimes takes short time for some people, and it takes longer time for other people. There are many factors that are included into this, including luck, including advantages that you have, and some people do not have those advantages. Like simple as internet is an advantage to you, so you could just start a YouTube channel, right? So finally, please, if you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments or any ideas, or anything that you'd like me to talk on next time, please let me know in the comment section.